welcome to Content Studio 3.0. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the planner. So as you can see, the planner is available on the module bar above here. If I click that, it'll redirect me to the planner. This is what the list view looks like now. We'll also be changing the feed view and the calendar view in the future. If you look to your extreme left, you'll be able to set all of your posts by specific filters. So let me show you how. Let me select scheduled, partially failed, and posts in review. I can select different accounts, so let me do that. If I keep scrolling down, I'll be able to filter by posts that were assigned to a specific person, created by a specific person, the content types, labels, campaign folders, and content categories. So if I want to actually save all of these filters that I've set, I can click this button here and name my filter. And that way, if I ever come back to my planner, I don't have to manually set my filters again. I can easily set this as a default if I want, and it'll automatically set these filters for me. I can add more or delete according to what best suits me. If I click the apply button, it'll filter all of my posts according to all of the different options that I picked here. So this is showing me all of the posts that come under this filter. If I want to even narrow down my filters even more, I can select them by a specific date range. So I can change by month and by year also. And I can also click from any of these if I want to quickly redirect myself to a specific week, month, year, etc. So here, if you scroll down, are the posts, but the cool thing here is if you can see the 4 directional arrow, that means you can actually scroll sideways to view all the information about a specific post. And if you want to add or remove anything from this, you can actually manage your columns by clicking this Manage Column button here. And I can go and remove things that I don't want to see or want to see. Like for example, if I click the Status button, it'll disappear, but we need that for the purpose of this video, so I'm going to keep it, right? All right, so if I want to see the status of a specific post, I can actually click on any of these pop-up buttons right here. So let me go to a partially failed post and show you. Click the pop-up button right here, and it'll show me the status of every single account that has been published to, right? So as you can see here, all the posts have been published to these accounts. However, a failed on Twitter and Instagram, and it gives me the reason for them as well. And if I want, I can actually click the Learn More button here, and it'll take me to the different errors that I can fix myself in the help logs, etc. I can also see the statistics here. If I want, I can actually go to the extreme right side here. As you can see, I can click the 3 buttons here and select a post status from here as well. So there's 2 options, whichever one best suits you. They both have the same function. As you can see, these are all of your scheduled posts. Other than that, if you've got posts that are in review, like these ones, you'll be able to see the option to approve or reject a post right here. You can also edit posts. Any posts that have been scheduled, you can edit those as well. You can also delete posts. And other than that, if I click the 3 buttons here, I'll also be able to duplicate a post, move the post to a campaign folder, add comments, internal notes. Let me click the comments and show you. So the comments are basically there for your entire team to view. So if you click comment, see, the whole team will be able to see this. However, if I want to only communicate with my internal team, not my clients, then I can share notes here, and only my team will be able to see it. So that's great. I can share feedback. I can, filter by whatever I want, be able to really plan out my content, see and track all of the statuses. So, hope you like this video. I'll be creating more videos like this to help you get a better understanding of Content Studio. See you in the next video.